Hello, Sarah Taylor here, Awakening Trail Guide, Intuitive Energy Healer, and I'm in Sedona underneath Cathedral Rock at the river. And form is emptiness, and emptiness is none other than form. Have you ever been in a place in nature and you feel the transcendent? You feel the spaciousness, the underlying eternal essence. It's why we love sunsets and beautiful scenery. And the doorway is form. This is form. Emptiness is none other than form, and form is none other than emptiness. The Heart Sutra from Buddhism, right? So we don't want to take a solely transcendent path, right? Intellectually cutting through all the time and seeing that none of this matters, it's not even real. I believe it was Shankara who said, first there is a mountain, then there is no mountain, then there is. With the integrated wisdom that form is emptiness and emptiness is form, they are none other. They are inseparable. And so we can always sort of look like, where am I escaping? Where am I escaping from form or into form, attaching too much? Where am I escaping in my life in too much of a transcendent, the witness state, escaping to it? There's no escape. We're here. So may you use form as a doorway. Your body, your breath, relationships, nature, your work, raising kids, doing schoolwork. And there's a helicopter going over right now, taking people on tours of Sedona. And that too is the divine. Until next time.